All right, this is for the work done for the refined Artifact 3. Um, it was actually ended up being a relatively simple solution. It was just a lot of research and a lot of figuring out how the syntax worked. Um, Eventually, what I ended up doing was I created a new function right here. I just called it call game over. And that was in the game mode.h. And then in the .cpp, where there was originally uh, the game conditions, the state conditions of the game that were handled by an enum, originally I had right in here some code to try to make it ragdoll the character and then do a delay and then load the lose screen. Unfortunately, that was causing crashes and just a whole bunch of other things. And crashing the game was not the best way to end the game, in my opinion. So once I went through and refactored it, I ended up creating a timer handle and a float variable called timer delay, so that I can adjust the time based on, you know, whether or not I feel the delay is too long. And then using World Time Manager and set timer, we take this unused handle right here that was created by ftimer handle, and then we cast it to the new function called game over, and that's essentially just this functionality that I moved from here into its own function. And so it'll call that function once the timer delay runs out, which right now is set for 10 seconds. And it seems to work really well now. Let's check it out in action. Okay, so there's the enemy AI, and anytime you run into his detection radius, that's essentially what signals you getting captured. So if I get in front of him, character ragdolls, he runs to you. You can still look around and see what the heck is going on. And after a short time, it should go to the game over screen. Uh, Getting it to repeat on replay attempts was tricky in the beginning. For some reason, the first time you were captured, it would work flawlessly, and then you would hit replay, and the second time, uh, it would just immediately go to the game over screen. Once I worked that out, this is what we ended up with. So pretty happy with how this came out. This was a feature that I had initially attempted to program into this game when I submitted it for the original Game 312 class, but I just couldn't get it working in time. That always bugged me. So I'm happy to have that functioning properly now. Well, so that's my submission for Artifact 3. Um, and yeah, that pretty much sums the whole thing up. All right. Thank you.